Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, shloka number 14. Satatam kirtayanto mam Satatam kirtayanto mam Satatam kirtayanto mam Yatantascha dridhavrataha Yatantascha dridhavrataha Yatantascha dridhavrataha Namasyantascha mam bhaktya Namasyantascha mam bhaktya Namasyantascha mam bhaktya Nityayukta upasate Nityayukta upasate Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataha Namasyantascha mam bhaktya Namasyantascha mam bhaktya Nityayukta upasate Nityayukta upasate. Lord Shri Krishna said, always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.